What if I told you that a ship disappeared in broad daylight only to reappear hundreds of kilometers away, all within a few minutes? An incredible claim, isn't it? But such is the tale of the Philadelphia experiment, a story shrouded in mystery and controversy. The year was 1943, amidst the turmoil of World War II. The setting, the bustling port of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The star of our story, the USS Eldridge, a Navy escort destroyer weighing a hefty 1,240 tons. This vessel wasn't just any ordinary ship. If the stories are to be believed, this ship was the testing ground for an experiment that would push the boundaries of what we thought possible. The aim of the experiment was not just to push the Eldridge out to sea, but to make it vanish entirely. Vanish, as in become completely invisible to the naked eye and radar signals. The method, a powerful electromagnetic field created around the ship, refracting or bending the light that came its way. And the result? A warship that disappeared from its dock in Philadelphia, only to reappear hundreds of kilometers away in Norfolk, Virginia, all within a few fleeting minutes. But the story doesn't end there. As quickly as it had appeared in Norfolk, the Eldridge allegedly vanished once again, teleporting back to its original position in Philadelphia, just as if it had never left. A round trip of teleportation, all within the span of a few short minutes. The Philadelphia experiment is more than just an intriguing story. It's a tale that supposedly puts Einstein's unified field theory to the test. A theory that combines the principles of electromagnetism and gravity. If true, it would signal a monumental leap in our understanding of physics and reality itself. With such an extraordinary claim, one can't help but wonder, what was the science behind this supposed event? Stay tuned as we delve into the theories, the controversies, and the enduring mystery of the Philadelphia experiment. The backbone of the Philadelphia experiment lies in a theory that Albert Einstein never completed. This incomplete theory is known as the unified field theory, a hypothetical framework that attempted to merge Einstein's general theory of relativity with electromagnetism. In essence, the unified field theory posits that all fundamental forces in the universe, from gravity to electromagnetism, are different manifestations of a single fundamental field. It's a bit like saying that all the colors in a rainbow are just different expressions of the same light. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with a naval ship disappearing? Well, the Philadelphia experiment purportedly hinged on this very theory. The idea was to use the principles of attraction between objects and electromagnetism to bend light and radar signals. If you could bend these signals around an object, say a naval destroyer, that object would, in effect, become invisible. Imagine holding a pencil in a glass of water. The pencil appears bent because the light reflecting off it is refracted or bent by the water. Now, replace the pencil with a ship and the water with a powerful electromagnetic field. That's the basic idea behind the Philadelphia experiment. However, in the grand tapestry of physics, Einstein's unified field theory remains an unfinished corner, a hypothesis that was never fully formed, let alone proven. Yet supposedly, it was this unfinished theory that was used as the blueprint for the Philadelphia experiment. But even if we suspend disbelief and assume that the American Navy somehow managed to use an incomplete theory to achieve something as extraordinary as optical invisibility, there's another question that begs to be asked. Could this theoretical manipulation of light and electromagnetism also cause a ship to teleport over 600 kilometers, as the Philadelphia experiment suggests? That's where the story takes another turn, and another scientific titan enters the fold. But the involvement of scientific greats doesn't end with Einstein. The enigmatic genius Nikola Tesla also allegedly had a hand in the Philadelphia experiment. This Serbian-American inventor, renowned for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current electrical supply system, was rumored to have played a significant role in this audacious mission. Tesla, known for his eccentric ways and revolutionary ideas, was said to have used some of his secret inventions in the experiment. These rumored inventions were thought to be so advanced that they could bend the very laws of physics, allowing for feats such as teleportation and invisibility. One of such inventions was Tesla's death ray, a particle beam weapon that he claimed could send concentrated beams of particles through the free air of such tremendous energy that they will bring down a fleet of 10,000 enemy airplanes at a distance of 200 miles. Could this have been the technology that made the USS Eldridge disappear and reappear in the blink of an eye? Another of Tesla's secret inventions rumored to have been involved in the experiment was his work on electromagnetic fields. Tesla believed that everything we need to understand the universe is virtually around us at all times. but we need to use our minds to develop real-world devices to augment our innate perception of existence. He was convinced that he could harness these fields to manipulate time and space. Could this be the technology that allegedly caused the USS Eldridge to travel over 300 miles in mere minutes? And then there's the Tesla oscillator, a steam-powered mechanical oscillator that Tesla claimed could, in theory, produce earthquakes. Could this device have been used to shake up the physical properties of the USS Eldridge, rendering it invisible? These are all tantalizing conjectures. And while we may never know the full extent of Tesla's involvement or whether these secret inventions were indeed used, the mystery and intrigue surrounding Tesla's work continue to fuel our fascination with the Philadelphia experiment. Yet, the experiment was not without its alleged consequences. The Philadelphia experiment may have achieved its goal of invisibility, but at what cost? An intriguing question that leads us into the aftermath of this enigmatic event. The alleged outcome of the experiment was far from being a triumphant scientific breakthrough. It was instead a chilling tale of unintended consequences. Stories began to emerge about crew members on the USS Eldridge, the ship at the heart of the experiment, disappearing without a trace. These were not simple cases of men going missing at sea, but of them vanishing right before the eyes of their fellow sailors. But the horror doesn't end there. Other accounts tell of men becoming fused with the ship itself. Imagine the terror of being trapped within the very metal of the ship, unable to move or cry for help, as the Eldridge materialized back in Philadelphia. As if these stories weren't disturbing enough, there are also accounts of crew members losing their mental balance. The trauma of the experiment, the disorientation of instant teleportation, or perhaps the effects of the intense electromagnetic fields, drove some men to the brink of insanity. And then, there's the phenomenon of spontaneous invisibility. Some survivors of the Philadelphia experiment reportedly experienced episodes of becoming invisible at random times. Walking down the street, they would suddenly vanish, only to reappear moments later. These stories paint a haunting picture of the aftermath of the Philadelphia experiment. They serve as a stark reminder of the potential dangers of unchecked scientific exploration. But how much of this is true? How much is mere folklore, the stuff of urban legends and conspiracy theories? The truth, it seems, is as elusive as the USS Eldridge itself. The Philadelphia experiment, an event shrouded in mystery and controversy, continues to fascinate us. It's a tale that blends science and the supernatural, fact and fiction, into a narrative that captivates the imagination. The Philadelphia experiment leaves us with more questions than answers. It's a story that, despite the passage of time, continues to intrigue and perplex us. And perhaps, that's the most enduring legacy of the Philadelphia experiment. Despite the passage of time, the Philadelphia experiment continues to captivate and confound. This enduring mystery, steeped in a blend of science and speculation, remains a fascinating topic that has stood the test of time, transcending generations. Why does it continue to intrigue us, you might ask? Well, part of the allure lies in the very nature of the mystery itself. It's a story that combines elements of science fiction, history, and the unexplained, all wrapped up in a narrative that is nothing short of compelling. It's about a seemingly impossible event, a ship disappearing and reappearing hundreds of kilometers away in a matter of minutes. It's about a theory, Albert Einstein's unified field theory, that was never officially proven. It's about the alleged involvement of Nikola Tesla, a man known for his groundbreaking and often controversial inventions. Yet, despite the enthralling narrative, there's a distinct lack of concrete evidence. No official records of the experiment exist, no definitive eyewitness accounts, and no physical proof of the event. This absence of tangible evidence only deepens the mystery, leading many to dismiss the Philadelphia experiment as a mere myth, a tall tale spun from the threads of wartime rumors and imaginative minds. But even amidst the skepticism, the Philadelphia experiment has an enduring appeal. It's more than just a story, it's a testament to human curiosity, to our relentless search for answers, and our fascination with the unknown. It challenges our understanding of the world, pushing the boundaries of what we believe to be possible. It's a reminder of the extraordinary potential of science, and the profound mysteries that still lie beyond our grasp. And so, the Philadelphia experiment persists, a captivating enigma that continues to stir debate and inspire wonder. Whether it's a hard fact or a work of fiction, it serves as a powerful symbol of the infinite possibilities that our universe holds. The Philadelphia experiment, whether fact or fiction, serves as a reminder of the endless possibilities and profound mysteries of our universe.